Greetings everyone, Autumn from Zappos here, and today I've got the Ruby 2 shoes from Louis Garneau. This cycling shoe is made with a standard fit, gives you an all-day comfortable feel, polyurethane leather upper that's seamless. It's also got mesh panels for breathability too. Love the bright color, HRS 90 heel retention. You have the Boa IP1S two-way micro adjustment. So it's got this cool way of adjusting. You can just give this a little turn here. Tightens up, but when you need to loosen it, just give it a pull, and then it loosens up easily, which I think is great. The tongue is really thin, so it's not going to irritate you at all. There's nice padding underneath it. Padding around the sides as well, breathable mesh lining with a power zone technology, so it gives you arch support and power transfer. You do have a patented, I can't say that word, patented injected-molded nylon-fiberglass outsole. It's got tons of ventilation, and the steel insert does fit all major road and SPD pedals. Show everyone who the real boss is when you cycle like you've never cycled before, wearing these ones from Louis Garneau.